Hi, my name is Rabbit. What's yours?
Namayo.
Maneo. What a great name! Maneo, did you see our puppet show, Bizindaage? Did you like it?
Yes.
What? That is awesome! And did you like the idea that it was a story about listening? Really? And what did you like about it?
Because I liked it because you always have to listen to other people, just not yourself, because other people have different opinions.
That's really good. And should we listen to people because we always want to make sure they feel good? And should we listen to people and ourselves when we're feeling sad and ask for help?
Yes.
Hey Maneo, I had such a fun time with you guys. You guys were awesome! And you guys were so funny to hang out with. And I hope to be able to have you in more stories in the future too. But Maneo, we have to get going and hang out with all our other friends. So in the meantime, we got to say goodbye to everyone here in Moose Factory. And of course, we appreciate being up here and having fun with you, Maneo, and your family, and all the community. So, Maneo, can we say, to say thank you in Anishinaabe, can you say miigwech to everyone here?
Miigwech.
Miigwech! And of course, the final word is to say bamapi, which just means see you later. So, can you say bamapi?
Bamapi.
Bamapi! See you later, and we're out. Great job. High five. Perfect.